Welcome back. In today's guide, I'll show you how to rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account using your credentials. If this is your first time using Facebook, click the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. It's important to note that buyer and seller ratings can only be given using the Facebook mobile app on iPhone or Android. You cannot rate someone from Facebook.com on a desktop browser. Facebook Marketplace allows you to leave feedback only for buyers or sellers you've previously interacted with or completed a transaction with. This means you can't leave random ratings if there was no actual transaction. Once you've completed a sale, go to your Marketplace selling dashboard. From there, you'll see your listings and recent interactions. If a buyer has completed a transaction with you, an option will appear allowing you to rate that buyer. You'll also be able to see seller ratings that are based on past reviews. Keep in mind that Facebook Marketplace follows Facebook's community guidelines and policies. If you experience issues that go beyond normal misunderstandings, you can report the problem through Facebook support. If you're unable to rate a buyer, try going to Help and Support, then select Report a Problem, and choose an option related to Marketplace. From there, you can submit details and even attach screenshots or videos if needed. Sometimes rating issues can happen due to account restrictions, temporary glitches, or problems with the other user's account. In those cases, Facebook support will review your request and guide you on what to do next. That's how you can rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.